Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is me. I just wanted to say hi and to make a small vlogging clip in the start of this video because it's been a long time I didn't make any audio for my craft videos. So this is my new home and this is my baby who is very busy sitting on his laptop using his games, and I just want to show you these crafts which I made recently, and I'm using this in this home. These are the first things I'm making, and I'm thinking to put that moon and sun on this or this wall, but still I'm in thinking process actually that what I have to do with those things. So let's get started to make this beautiful treasure chest, which is a little bit different than my previous ones I have been making. So here I have two cardboard pieces, and the bottom part, the base of the cardboard box, I have made it a little bit smaller than the sides because I need to put those people like man types with the hoodies on the sides of the treasure chest, so I have to leave some space for them. So I will be sticking these cardboard pieces together with the paper tape, and then I will be using the hot glue to stick the things together properly. And this box is ready now, so I will be making the lid with the cardboard. This cardboard piece is a little bit thicker than the normal ones, so I didn't make extra pieces to stick with the sides or anything. And now I'm bending this lid to stick it with the back part of the treasure chest, to stick it with the paper tape, and then with the hot. You can see the cardboard from this side is a little bit thin, so I will be sticking this thick part of the cardboard with the first one to make it a little bit thicker so it can stay on the place while we are closing the lid. And I will use the hot glue to stick it, and then this rest of the part which is empty, I will be using more cardboard to cover it and to make it equally. This is the one I was talking about. It was empty place, so to make it equal I used some extra cardboard, and I will be sticking it to make it equally with the back part of the lid. And with the knife I'm just cutting the lid parts a little bit from where it was bending, so it's easy to close it. And here I have stick the sides on the sides of the chest, the curvy sides actually. And somehow it was fine because I wanted to have some space more in the box instead of having the lid quite thick and empty space. But you can stick these curvy parts with the lid. I will show you in the next part why I'm saying that. So anyway, here I have cut these cardboard pieces as well, the stripes, and I will be sticking it on the chest to make it like wood palace style. And sorry for that because I am going to cut their necks to stick it with the box on the sides. This is the thing I was talking about. If you will be leaving that curvy part of the lid of the box with the lid, then it will be very beautiful. Like when you are opening the lid of the chest, their neck, their head will be going up with the lid and their body will be staying on the bottom part of the box. So it was somehow a mistake for me, I didn't do. But if you want, you can do it like this, like cut their necks, sorry for that. And to stick it, the curvy part of the box with the lid, so when you open the lid, their neck is going upward, and when you're closing the cover, their neck is coming back on their body. So it was going to be somehow scary as well and something nice as well, I don't know. But anyway, this is the white glue. I have added a little bit of water in it, and I will be covering all this chest with the tissues to give the texture of wood. I have left the treasure chest to dry daytiming, and now it's a little bit nighttime. As you can see, the light is a little bit dim in the room now, and I'm going to cover all of this with the black acrylic paint. This is the mixture of black acrylic paint and the glue. I have added some white tissues in it to create a paper clay type something, and going to make the bodies and the faces with this clay to make it a little bit prominent and 3D type. I will leave it overnight to dry, and I think it will take more than a night to dry because it's quite thick texture of the paper clay, and today the day is very sunny, so it got dry properly overnight as well. And the day timing also I left it to dry because some parts were still wet. Some sides were still left to cover it. I will be covering it with paper tape, and the inner part as well I have covered it with the black acrylic paint. And this is here the beige color, off-white color acrylic paint, which I'm using on the surface of the chest to give the texture of the wood. I have actually completely forgot to make the cape for these people on the sides of the chest. So with the cardboard, I'm making roughly shape of cap or cape or hoodie, whatever you want to say it. I have cut it, and then I will be sticking over their heads, and then I will be covering with the acrylic paints, the same ones I have used for the treasure chest. with some cardboard I'm drawing some leaves on it, and I will be cutting them, then I will be coloring them with the green acrylic paint, and to highlight these leaves I will be using some yellow acrylic paint as well. You can actually make these leaves with any kind of clay, air dry clay, but the cardboard is fine as well for me. It worked well. With the hot glue I will be sticking these leaves on the chest where I want them to. And here we are done, the chest is ready. I really enjoyed working on this one because greenery and tree or leaves type of things makes me so relaxed, and I really enjoy working on these type of things, and I hope you enjoyed as well. Please do subscribe to my channel, I really need it, and it's really encouraging for me if I see my subscribers are increasing, so I keep thinking and new ideas starts to come in my mind automatically. And I will be really appreciating it if you do subscribe to my channel and share my videos with your family and friends. And yeah, this is the end results, and I will see you in the next video. Please do comment down below if you want to watch something like this more, like a snake is sitting on the chest, or a sculpture is sitting on the chest or on the sides or something like this. Please comment down below, and thank you so much for watching.